How I use Claude Code to build a modern website from a prompt. What if I told you this entire website started from a single prompt? No expensive agency, no weeks of coding, no massive development team, just one AI prompt. And this happened. Today I'll show you exactly how I use Claude Code to build a modern website from a prompt. Not just any website, a website with modern UI, smooth animations, responsive design, better user experience, clean code structure, and honestly, I was surprised how good the result actually became. This isn't one of those fake AI demos. I'm showing you the entire process. Traditional website development usually looks like this. Design first, then wireframes, then development, then revisions, then bugs, then more revisions, sometimes weeks, sometimes months. I wanted to answer one question: can AI actually build something modern enough that businesses could genuinely use? So I opened Claude Code and started experimenting. The goal was simple: create a website that feels minimal, modern, fast, easy to navigate, smooth. The kind of website where users immediately think, this company looks professional. Because good websites aren't just about looking pretty. They create trust, and trust creates conversions. Here's where things became interesting. Instead of saying, build me a website, I gave Claude context. I described the style, the user experience, the animations, the layout, the goals, because better prompts create better outputs. My prompt looked something like this: create a modern, responsive website with smooth animations, minimal design, conversion-focused layout, mobile optimization, premium-feeling UI, fast-loading components, and intuitive navigation. Then I pressed enter. Then Claude started generating components, layouts, sections, animations, responsive structures. And this is the moment where I realized this is very different from old AI tools, because it wasn't only generating random code, it was generating structure, which is extremely important, and wait until you see what happened next. The first version wasn't perfect, but honestly, it was surprisingly good. The spacing worked, the hierarchy made sense, the sections flowed naturally. The biggest lesson here: AI rarely creates perfection instantly, but it creates momentum incredibly fast. This is where the real power starts. Instead of rebuilding everything, I simply told Claude, improve animations, reduce clutter, increase white space, make navigation smoother, improve mobile responsiveness, and every iteration became better, which feels less like coding and more like directing. A modern website isn't only about design, it's about feeling. Users notice small transitions, smooth scrolling, consistent spacing, visual hierarchy, animation timing. These tiny details create what people call premium feeling UI, and surprisingly, AI handled much of this. Let's be realistic. AI isn't magic. Things it did well: speed, structure, component generation, responsive layouts, rapid iterations. Things it struggled with: very specific branding, perfect spacing, complex interactions, unique creativity, which means AI works best when humans direct. After building this, 3 lessons stood out. Lesson 1, prompts matter more than tools. Lesson 2, iteration beats perfection. Lesson 3, AI doesn't replace design thinking, it accelerates it. That's the difference. And here it is, a modern website built from prompts, improved through iteration, and completed much faster than traditional workflows. What's interesting isn't that AI created it. What's interesting is how much faster good ideas become real. If you've been thinking about building websites with AI, start experimenting, because this technology is moving extremely fast, and the people learning now will have a massive advantage later. If you want more videos about AI websites, automation, design systems, and growth, subscribe and comment prompt if you want me to show the exact prompt I used.